Gonna slide this into this video, or actually I might make it another video. This is the trading post. It's a flea market and antique store. It is indoors, and that is my other business: value serenity crystals, minerals, jewelry, and more. And that's my friend. Custom printing by Freaking Ink. She's cool. We both started out at another flea market, and when the gentleman opened up this one, we decided we wanted to go to this one. And they have a lot of unique items here. Just thought I'd show. Maybe I'll do some filming in the store. Alright, that's the sign if you're coming down Highway 44 in Prairieville. You see the big red and white sign. Trading Post Indoor Flea Market. It's got the hours and the phone number. Not only antiques. The retro video games. Also, I know him. He's cool. He's got a lot of video games. I'll show you his stuff. Alright, we're inside the trading post. I'm going to be showing you some of the stuff that everybody has for sale. This is a coin collection that the owner recently got. I think it's pretty cool coins in here. Obviously they're not real gold because they're $6 each or 2 for $10. Got some belt buckles. Some knickknacks and clocks. This is cool. This little house. That's cool. Mickey Mouse clock. Arrowheads. Got knives. And some old combs. Old combs and old knives. Some newer knives too. Now these are watches and jewelry. Rings. These are cool. These old silver dollars. I'm gonna get me one of these from 1885. And he's got some other money in here too. This is from 1937. $50. 1951. That's also $50. So it's also got some currency over here. I guess this is old currency. Yeah, this is actual silver certificate currency. Some old $2 bills here. Bunch of old quarters. Let's see what's in this one. No, it did not make that easy to get into. There we go. Some more money. Some more arrowheads. Forks and spoons. These old ones. Those actually look really cool too. So there's definitely a lot to look at if you come check it out. Some more watches, more jewelry. Wrist watches, pocket watches. That's one of the things he made. It's got one of my ammonites in it. We have dishes, old kerosene lamps, fancy dishes. That's pretty cool right there. Back on this shelf, more little knickknacks, glass, metal, collectible figures. I think these are, I think, old Avon cologne bottles. It may not be Avon. It may be something else. I've seen them before. Oh, he does have some old books. I might actually have to get through this. I didn't realize he had old books over here in this corner. More clocks. I don't know if I can get everything. There's a lot to get. This is one of the vendors over here. They got a whole bunch of different glassware, collectibles, some trains, old toys. Ooh, honey, look at that. I got one like that. 35 by Tonka. Mine's a little newer, but I got one like that. Alright, let's go check out the games. This is the game slash, I guess, game testing area. Let's see, he's got Atari, he's got Wii, PlayStation, PS3, GameCube, original Xbox, Nintendo 64. He's got some Super Nintendo games. Ooh, he's got Game Boy Advance in there. That's nice. Some regular Nintendo games. He's got a Wii U for sale. And looks like some accessories to go with it. Some PS4 games. Definitely a lot to look at. If you're into ducks, there's a whole shelf of ducks here. More glassware. Vintage cars. Fire truck. Some more glass. Dolls. Lots of old dolls. Let's see what is over here. Some more glassware. More little figures. Some pretty cool little pyramids. Actually, I like this. Fishing reel. Some old spoons. This is another part of another vendor's space here. This is my stuff, which I'm not going to go too much into. Do plenty of videos on that, you know. So we'll get back to that in a separate video. I don't want to be too unfair to everybody else. Old Singer sewing machine. That thing's actually pretty cool. Does it have a year? Don't see a year on it. It's definitely old. Silverware set. It's actually pretty nice. This is cast iron alley. Old tools, old cast iron, some meat grinders, old skis, some more old tools, old pots, really old cast iron. Big quilts. These are some electronics from a vendor. I have been sort of going through this a little bit at a time when I'm here, see if there's anything I can pick out that I might want to try to resell. but I haven't really found anything that I have that much knowledge about. So, 4-channel Radio Shack stereo mixer. And if that works, that's worth way more than $25. That might be worth something looking into. Old phones. Got some artwork, some chairs, furniture. That's actually a nice piece right there. It's got a mirror. Old furniture. Old furniture. This M&M's tin that's probably worth something. Got some good graphics on it. We only got priced at $1. And here's some more plates and steins, beer steins. Plates. It's actually kind of nice right there. Alright, and that's just some of the stuff that they have here at the trading post. Y'all should come stop by, check it out, because there's really too much to try to show you. Got a bunch of different stuff all over the place, so it's hard to get all that on video. But y'all come by and check it out. Alright.